I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor of Biani Group of Colleges. Today I am deliver my lecture behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am deliver SDLC System Development Life Cycle Model. In System Development Life Cycle Model, we have to discuss SDLC model. There are different types of SDLC models are available in System Design and Analysis or Software Engineering books. We have to discuss SDLC models. First of all, we have to use why we are using SDLC model. SDLC model is used for developing software. Software in the sense we have to develop little softwares which are used for our small module projects. In SDLC model, there are 6-7 phases are used in SDLC model. We have to discuss about these SDLC phases. First of all, SDLC System Development Life Cycle has 6 phases. First phase is planning. In first phase, we have to discuss about planning. Planning in the sense we have to say that planning, when we have to develop our software, we discuss about planning. Planning in the sense describe our software, what we need, what we required, which kind of software user want, and how it will be useful for user. So planning is most important for any software or any project. First stage is planning. Then next is defining. In defining, we have to use different things. Defining in the sense we have to play a role of defining using documentation work which are defining in defining phase. After this defining phase, we have to designing module. In designing module, we have discussed about language, platform, which language we have to use in our software and which platform we have to use in our software. After designing, we have to build. Fourth one is building. We have to define how we can build and which language, which software, hardware we have to require in build. After build, we have take testing part. Testing part is more important for SDLC model, because testing part, if we have to test our project or software, if in testing time we have to find any error, we have to go again planning stage and do it again all the stages. If we have problem in testing, if we have error, then we have go back from testing phase to designing, building, defining or planning if we have any kind of problem in this testing phase. After testing, we have last stage 6, deployment. Deployment in the sense after testing we have to give our software to user. Testing, we have to test the software, then we have to deposit to software our user. That means we have to check the proper way it will be work or not, it is properly working in the market or not working in the market. That is deployment. And after deployment, we have to use one more thing, maintenance. Maintenance is also working. We in sense maintenance is that the part of the updation. If coming period, if the software required updation, so developer is also do this updation. After this SDLC model phases, we have to discuss about different models, type of models, SDLC models. There are different type of SDLC models. First one is waterfall model, second one is iterative, third one is spiral, and fourth one is V model. These 4 models are very important for system development life cycle. In these models, we have to discuss now waterfall model. Now we will start first SDLC model, waterfall model. Waterfall model is first approach of SDLC model. waterfall model is first approach of SDLC model, and it is developed a small softwares developed by waterfall model approaches. There are different phases. And there are 6 phases are used in waterfall model: requirement analysis, system design, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. First of all, we have to requirement analysis, requirement gathering. What kind of software we have to develop, user, what did user want, and what kind of software she or he wants to develop, and where he is used. First of all, we have to maintain all the requirements of user, which kind of requirements are in the market, and we have to collect all the requirements and maintain in documentation also. After requirement analysis, we have to system design. We have to implement all the requirements that we have to implement in system design. System design in the sense we have to maintains in our task by task manager, which is divided by different people. Different people in the sense we have to divide our task in modules, different modules, and after this task completed, we have to integrated these modules. System design. After system design, we have to implementation. Implementation in the sense we have developed first system design system, then we have to implement some things in the software. After implementation, we have test the software, test in the market, it is working or not. It's all modules are working in proper way or not, we have to test. After test, we have deployment. Deployment is also an approach of giving to our customer. After deployment, we have to take another maintenance. In maintenance, we have update the system, and how we can update all the systems and all the stages in waterfall model. In waterfall model, we have to do all stage very well, and we have to define different things in our stage. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.